Okay, guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So, today we are going to learn about the if statement within the Python pycharm. Pycharm is our compiler while the Python is our programming language. So, how we can implement it? Let's get started. So, first you need to write any variable. Rather than mentioning the data type, you are not supposed to write any sort of data type. You can just write a is equal to like 10. Okay, and now what is the meaning of this line? Coding line a is equal to 10 simply means that now a variable is having 10 as a value in it. Compiler just consider this a is a space, is a data storage space with the name a, and inside that a storage space we have 10, and 10 is the, obviously we know that it is the numerical data type or numeric data type. Okay, now a contains 10. Now we will write our if statement. So if statement, how it used to work, it will simply work like if a is greater than 10, okay, then print a is greater than 10. Okay, now what this statement will do, if statement is just like a checker. Okay, it will check either the value inside this a is greater than 10, and what is the value inside a? We know it is 10 because we already assigned this 10 to a. So okay, now 10 is contain a is containing 10 in it, and 10 is not greater than 10, so we cannot say this condition is true. So this statement is not going to considered right, or it is not going to be executed. This one, the line that is print line. So okay, and if it is like we can say if a is like 14. Now a contains 14 and either 14 is greater than 10, then obviously condition is right. 14 is greater than 10. Yes, condition is right. And then print a is greater than 10, then this string, anything within the inverted commas, will be implemented or will be shown on the console, Python console. So now we will see, we will run it out, and it is written there a is greater than 10. And if we want to write else statement, else mean print, means that if this condition is not right, then control will automatically move to else. If if uh, if condition is right, then control will not read this thing. It is not going to read else. But if condition is false, then else condition will be executed without checking any sort of condition. So a is less than or equal to 10. Yeah, so we will check it now. If a is like 1, then obviously this condition is false and control will move to else, and then it will be printed on the console. So we will run it. A is less than or equal to 10. You can see it. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can use the if and else statement within the Python pycharm. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.